over here we have more red roads. Oh my gosh, look how dusty. See the clouds? Every step is like that. Sorry. Get distracted. We have the wild bird cache. Look at this. We have chairs, we have water. We have a sign. Tables. Oh ho ho. What's in here? OMG. Olives, bananas, candy, beer, soda, applesauce, water. Let's keep that closed. Let's see what's in the cabinets. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? There's a towel up there, tables, radios. PCT hikers, please take your picture to share with us. Thank you. Oh, wow. Donations? Absolutely. Trash. Our whiteboard. And then over here, check it out. There's a grill and pots. And over here is a shower, which I am very interested to find out. They do have water. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh. So you hoist it up like that. They got pulleys up there. Wow. This is pretty cool. Well, I think I'm going to hang out here for a little bit, make some dinner, and enjoy myself.